This is Project Ainsworth, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Ainsworth is finished in full gloss Fiat Sky with silver accents all round. Ainsworth sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondar wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a full external 6-point roll cage with rear ladder, 4 LED round high-level lights up front, a classic front bumper with worn winch, and a silver steering guard. Inside, Project Ainsworth features an ECD custom Momo steering wheel with all-American nickel gauges, 2 Puma modular front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in a horizontal stitch Bentley Napa saddle leather stitched together in maple. This 110 is powered by a LS3 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern conveniences such as Infinity Kappa audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.